again guys, so for problem number 2, so based from the problem, repeat problem number 1 using axle loads of 30 kilonewtons and 50 kilonewton on a wheelbase of 4 meter crossing a 8 meter span. Yun, sabi, for problem number 2, so meron tayong span equivalent to 8 meters. So, ayan. Then yung truck natin, so ang binubuhat ng front axle equivalent to 30 kilonewtons and ang rear axle equivalent to 50 kilonewtons. So, ayan. So, determine natin yung maximum moment and maximum shear. So, first step, di ba? So, determine muna natin yung resultant. So, resultant is 30 plus 50 equivalent to 80 kilonewtons. Then, next, determine natin yung distance ng resultant from front and rear axle. So, ito, tawagin ko siyang X. Then, yung kabila, so total distance between axle is equivalent to 4 meters. So, yung kabila, 4 minus X. Ayan. So, same procedures. Then, next. So, using Varignon's theorem, so, determine natin distance of X. So, yung 50, papuntahin natin dito sa front. So, 50 times 4. Then, yung 30 plus 30 times 0, since nandun na yung 30, diba? Equivalent to resultant 80 times X. So, ilan yung ating value for X? So, 50 times 4 divided by 80. So, value of X equivalent to 2.5 meters. So, ibig sabihin, ito daw is 2.5, then yung kabila, 2.5 minus 4, ilan yan? 1.5. 2.5 minus 4, 1.5. So, ito, 2.5, then yung kabila, 1.5. So, ayan. Then, next, so, determine natin maximum moment. So, hindi na pinapatagal yan. Okay na. So, ayan. So, ang sabi, di ba, ilagay daw natin sa midspan yung ating load. Pero, dapat mas malapit yung load na mas malaki doon sa midspan. So, ito, kung ito is 8 meters, then ito, pag hinati yan, 4 meters, then yung kabila, 4 meters din yan. Then, next, so, ito, baguhin natin to. Ito, 2.5, then yung kabila, 1.5. So, ibig sabihin, pag hinati mo tong 1.5, so, 0.75 na yan, kabilaan. So, ito yung ating resultant. So, ito, distance, 0.75. Hinati ko lang tong 1.5. Then, next, so, kung ito is 0.75, syempre, may kalahati pa yan, 0.75. So, nandito yung ating 80, or nandito yung ating 50 kilonewton. So, ito, 0.75. Total niyan is 1.5 meters. Ito yun. Then, next, so, from resultant, ito yung resultant natin, di ba? So, ang distance niya from front wheel, equivalent to 30 kilonewton. So, distance niya is equivalent to 2.5. So, ayan. Isin natin. So, kung ito is 0.75, ito, di ba? Sa gitna, 0.75. So, ito, it means, ilan tong value na to? So, ito is equivalent to 3.25. So, 4 minus 0.75. Then, next, sa kabila. So, ito, dito sa part na to, dito tayo sa part na to, papuntang left, 0.75 plus 2.5. So, ilan to natitira na to? So, 4 minus 2.5 minus 0.75. So, equivalent to 0.75. So, determine natin maximum moment. So, summation of, so, ito, RA, then ito, RB. Summation moment at point A equivalent to 0 clockwise positive. So, resultant na lang gamitin natin. So, resultant natin is 80. So, 80 kilonewtons times, ilan ba yung distance? So, ang sabi sa figure, 2.5 plus 0.75. 2.5 plus 0.75 equivalent to 3.25 minus RB, since counterclockwise yan, times total length, 448 meters equivalent to 0. So, RB is equivalent to 80 times 3.5 minus RB times 8 equivalent to 0. So, RB natin is 32.5 kilonewtons. So, ito, shear pa lang yan, di ba? So, punta na tayo sa moment. So, to determine for the moment, so, di ba, since meron na tayo nito, 32.5, so, papuntahin lang natin siya sa 50, dahil ito yung 50 yung pinakamalaking load, di ba? Kaysa sa 30. So, ilan yung distance? So, moment max, 32.5 kilonewtons, times natin sa distance. So, ilan yung distance? From support up to 50. 3.25. So, ilan yung ating maximum moment? 32.5 times 3.25. So, maximum moment natin is 105.625 kilonewton per meter. So, ito na yung ating moment maximum. So, ganun na kadali. Then next, shear naman tayo. So, for shear, so, sa shear, so, balik tayo. So, ang sabi, di ba, based from our topic or our problem earlier, ilalagay lang natin yung malaking load, which is 50 kN sa dulo or sa support. Then, ito yung 30 kN natin. The distance niyan is 4 meters. Then, total distance natin is 8 meters. So, kung ito is 4 meters, so ito, equivalent to 4 meters also lang. So, moment na tayo. So, RA, RB. So, summation of moment at A equivalent to 0 clockwise positive. So, 30 times 4 plus 50 times total length is 8 minus RB times 8 din. Equivalent to 0. So, RB natin is equivalent to 30 times 4 plus 50 times 8 minus x times 8 equivalent to 0. So, ayan. So, RB is equivalent to 65 kilonewtons. So, which means, so, 50 plus 80, or 80 minus ano na lang, 65. So, yung RA natin is 15. So, it means, ito na yung ating shear maximum. So, 65 kilonewtons. So, ayan. So, that's all for problem number 2. Thank you.